So there you have it, the Garvee raised bed garden, 2 foot by 4 foot by 8 foot. That's a really good size. Metal. What I like about it, doesn't cut you here. This would be nice if there was a cap on this here, because this is kind of sharp. I put some hardware cloth on the bottom there, keep rodents from coming in. The cross pieces there kind of help keep the sides from bowing out. It looks pretty good. I don't think I'm going to be concerned with the heat. Some people talk about the heat, but I don't think I'm going to be concerned with that. But yeah, it was pretty simple to put together. I will highlight this though. Put the ends together first. You'll have a piece down here and a piece up here. So there's 4 ends, and then there's, 8 sides. So do the ends first, connect them to here, and then that kind of makes it stand a little bit. And if you do the first row first, the bottom row first, then you come through here, and then it kind of stands up by itself. Then you throw this guy, the second layer on, and then you attach it there in the center, and it's all pretty simple. Comes with tools, a little wrench, and all your hardware that you need. And yeah, I like it. Everything is marked pretty nicely. Thank you, Garvee, and see ya. Bye. Have fun.